Hmm. Hmm. Eh, did I call it or did I call it? Finally got him. You tired? Is you tired? Hmm.